go! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Isa na naman vlog tayo, mag-travel tayo. Today, we would go to Palawan. Alright, so it's a stressful biyahe daw kasi mga almost 8 to 7 hours yung biyahe natin. But hey, let's go, okay? So what I would do is I would produce different videos sa different places na pupuntahan natin, and we have naka-tour tayo, so marami tayong pupuntahan and mga tour guides and all that. So samahan nyo ako, alright? And of course, wala tayong bibigyan ng rate. I'm just gonna share yung travel natin, alright? So there, see ya! Okay guys, so papunta tayo ngayon sa lagoon tsaka sa mga beaches here. We're on our way, so share natin kung ano magandang view and all and things that you need to remember. Okay, so let's just go. Okay guys, so nandito tayo sa first stop natin, which is the helicopter island. Why helicopter island? Kasi daw sa malayo, para siyang helicopter. Now we would go to the beach, show you around, and from there, enjoy the places. Might as well enjoy the place. So guys, ibuti natin. And this is how it should be. Maiksi lang siya, so lakarin natin mula dito sa dulo na to hanggang dun. Let's go. Second destination. This is called the Hidden Beach. So sa likod siya ng mga malalaking rocks, kaya tinawag siyang Hidden Beach. So yeah, may sand doon, so I guess yeah, logic. So let's go, bigyan natin, alright? Tama namin kayo. Let's go check it out. So, napapakita na well, as I mentioned, yun yung kabuuan ng place. Maganda naman siya guys, napaka-clear ng water. Wala kang masasabi kitang-kita. So, what a place to be. Okay guys, so nandito tayo sa Matinloc Shrine. Dito kami magla-lunch. Kasama ang ating si Kapitan Jack. Captain, Sir. So let's go. Get ready, lilibot natin yung island saglit kasi 20 minutes pa bago maano yung ano natin. So let's go. Hey guys, so we're waiting for our food. So nag-stop nga kami doon sa island na to. Medyo matagal eh, tapos na mag-picture and all that. Pero wala pa yung food, inintay lang namin and ilang gabi na kong dito. sorry, nakaheard of. So yun, naghintay lang kami food. Tapos kain na kami and then we go on to 3 more islands or 2. Kung matandaan. Pero we'll be visiting 5 islands today. Okay, so by the way, just wanna mention, meron tayong part 1 saka part 2 ng trip natin sa El Nido. So yeah, watch out for the part 2, okay? This is just part 1. So let's go. Hey guys, so nandito tayo sa Hidden Beach. Alright, actually beach siya, kaya lang mayroon isang maliit na bilog dun sa mga wall ng ano. Doon kami dumaan, and of course maraming tao. Maganda siya, so I'm gonna show you the place. Okay? Hidden Beach, Palawan. Alright guys, so we're done with today's tour. It was amazing. Second day tomorrow, may pupunta na rin tayo. Drop it on the spot, like and subscribe. And we have the part 2. Watch out for that. Okay, thank you. So guys,